Our national identification system will provide a safe, convenient, reliable means for persons to prove their identity, while aiding the furtherance of digitization of the government. It will reduce bureaucracy. It will encourage efficiency. It will make the life of our citizens easier. Our software to power our card rollout, which includes enrollment, vetting, pre-enrollment, card personalization, is about 90% complete. And we expect it will be completed over the next 2 months. We have more excellent news. Our National Identification Card Production Center is 97% complete. We have taken the same high priority approach to the security of the card itself. Other cards that we utilize have about 12 security features. The National Identification Card will have 26 security features, spanning level 1, 2, and 3. The National Identification Card is a polycarbonate card with the identity data engraved, which means that no one can physically alter the card without it being noticeable. There will be a period of sensitization where persons can be up to date with the visible level 1 security features, similar for what is being done for our local currency. The question still remains, what do the cards look like? It is a unique layout. It has the national symbols embedded, the coat of arms, the Dr. Bird, the national flag, the Aki, Madam Speaker. It is truly a national identification card. Special provisions will be made for persons with disability on the national identification system. We have met and we've deliberated with the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, and we have agreed on using the international access sign to represent persons with disabilities at the rear of the national identification card. But it will be optional if they opt to have the sign on the back of the card. They will have that choice. There are more benefits. Once you're a JP, on the rear of the card, there will be a designation that says JP. There is another big advantage. When we think digital, we are ensuring that we make the lives of Jamaicans easier and more hassle-free. We know that with the absence of a holistic database for verification, it is very difficult for persons who are doing business or opening accounts with commercial entities like banks. Through the National Identification System, we are helping the unbanked to handle their needs. In another 2 weeks, the government of Jamaica will be signing a memorandum of understanding with our financial institutions to participate in the National Identification System pilot. Already all 10 members of the Jamaica Bankers Association have expressed an intent to sign the MOU. The inclusion of our banks will ensure that there is a simplified process when opening bank accounts using the National Identification System. We are moving to a stage where we want the entire process almost to be done online using our National Identification System. An implementation task force has been established to provide innovative and strategic direction for the adoption of the National Identification Card in the private and public sectors. The National Identification System is only a part of our people-centered transformation being led by the Office of the Prime Minister.